everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn a really simple way how you can write the posts in Etoro. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on this pen here, or what is this? Pencil. Now you want to just write 1, 2, 3, whatever. Like right now the market is doing good. You can upload a photo. Like this one here, and then I can just easily post it. Here it's a view. Voila. And then you can just easily come and delete the post, and you got it. So this is how you do it. Thank you everybody very much. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.